In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enhance your browsing experience using the Brave browser on your computer. Our focus will be on configuring the browser to block ads and trackers effectively, making your online journeys smoother and more private. It's an incredibly useful tool if you're keen on maintaining your privacy while surfing the web, and I'll walk you through the fundamental steps. To begin, you'll want to open the Brave browser on your computer. Once you've got it up and running, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. Here, you'll either see three horizontal lines or a lion's head icon, which is Brave's distinctive logo. Click on that icon to access a drop-down menu, and from there, select Settings. Now you're in the hub where you can customize how Brave interacts with the web. On the left side, you'll notice a menu full of different settings categories. You're going to want to click on Shields. This is a pivotal section that gives you control over how the browser handles ads and trackers. Under the category labeled Trackers and Ads Blocking, you can choose between different levels of blocking. There are typically two main options: Standard and Aggressive. Choosing the standard level provides a moderate level of protection without interfering too much with how websites function, whereas the aggressive level will block more ads and trackers, but can occasionally disrupt some sites' usability. Choose the option that best fits your needs. In the same Shield section, you'll also find additional settings to further tighten your browsing security. For instance, you can opt to upgrade connections to HTTPS, ensuring a secure and encrypted connection whenever possible. Moreover, you have the option to block third-party cookies, which are often used by sites to track your activity across the web. Additionally, you can enable fingerprinting protection to prevent websites from creating a digital fingerprint of your device, which can be used to track you uniquely. Lastly, content filtering allows you to add extra filter lists to customize and fine-tune your ad blocking preferences even further. Once you've made your selections, you're set to browse the web with fewer interruptions and greater privacy, thanks to the powerful ad and tracker blocking mechanisms now in place. However, there might be occasions when you'll need to disable these features for a particular site. If you ever encounter a website that requires you to turn off ad blocking, it's simple. All you need to do is click on the Shields icon, which looks like a lion's head in the address bar while you're visiting that site, and toggle the Shields off setting for that specific site. By following these steps, you can tailor your Brave browser experience to not only enhance your security, but also to ensure a more enjoyable, ad-free time online. Happy browsing, and enjoy the newfound sense of control over your digital footprint.